We are pleased to have guests from Mawahib, an art studio for adults with special needs from the age of 16 years and above. Mawahib, located in Al Bastakhia, is a space where student artists can learn artistic skills and develop their self confidence in a relaxed, safe environment. Our first speaker for the day is from Mawahib. He's an artist whose personal journey is truly inspiring. After being diagnosed with muscular dystrophy at a very young age, he went through a period of helplessness and despair. But once he discovered art, there was no looking back. He refused to let his physical condition stand in the way of his growth as a person and an artist, and found ways to create works of beauty, both on canvas and in verse. His positive attitude, resilient spirit, and determination are truly awesome. May I please welcome on stage Mr. Sharan Anil.
Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Sharan Anil Budrani. I am an artist at Mawahib. I used to go to a normal school. I was a science student, and I used to be carried up to the I used to be carried up to the first floor of my school on my wheelchair for the practical classes of physics, chemistry, and computer science. So I sat at home feeling confused, worthless, and useless. I didn't know what would I do with my life. Each day, I just counted each day as it went by. I didn't know what would I be doing in the future. I felt very distressed because all my classmates had moved on to universities and they had gone abroad. So I just found out that I could paint. I used to be good at drawing diagrams at school, but never picked up a paintbrush. So so it just happened. I just picked up a brush and just started putting color on it. As much as I could, I tried to take out all my distress and my anxiety. And that's when I found out that Mawahib had opened a place where people with special needs could learn art and also socialize among society. So when I went into the art studio, I wasn't sure if I would fit in with everyone because I was the only one on a wheelchair. But that was just my initial feeling. I felt I used to fear people. I never could face them. I always feared what their reaction would be. But that was just initially. But after I found out that I could paint, and when I painted my first painting at the studio with the help of the art teacher and the volunteers, so I felt really proud of myself. I know that I won't be able to paint like how normal people paint, like by resting the canvas on an easel, but I found my own way to paint. I realized that I can do so much more rather than just sitting at home and not doing anything. So gradually I became more confident. Um, the 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 color and the flashes on the paper made me feel very happy. I felt like I could express myself so much more. I used to like seeing the planes flying, but I also found freedom in my own way. I found freedom by just using any color and just expressing my emotions. I was a very negative person. I used to keep all my emotions in myself. But then I just realized that art can make me realize so much more that I wouldn't have been able to find in any other career path. So Mawahib made me a much more confident person, and I had never imagined that I would be speaking to a group of students, but it has come true because Mawahib has made me a better person. And I didn't even know that I would be speaking, but my art teacher just gave my name. She didn't even ask me. She said, "No, you can do it. You can do it." So I don't know, because I didn't know whether I would be able to speak among so many people, but it did happen. It is because she believed in me, and then which made me believe in myself. So I made a choice in life to be a more positive person and to share my story with everyone. So that has changed me, and I'm very grateful to Mawahib that it has happened. Thank you.
Thanks to our sponsors, Yellow Egg Cafe, Farmers, Rasasi, Quanta, Cool and Cool, Barakat Quality Plus, and Korean Printing Press.